Hi, Jim Morris, President and CEO for Greater Indy Habitat for Humanity, and I'm here with Kevin and Nicole. I'll let them introduce themselves. So from IU Health.
Hi, I'm Nicole Wilson. I'm Vice President of Community Health Operations for IU Health.
And Kevin Armstrong, the Chief Mission and Values Officer for IU Health.
And we're here because we get to celebrate, really, and we have the privilege of, we got a milestone with you all as a partner, and it's 20 years.
Yay.
32 families that you've walked alongside, and almost $900,000 that you've invested into the mission. So all of those things we are incredibly grateful for. Curious, I mean, from my end, we talk to other Habitat affiliates across the country, and we get to brag a little because we have such partnerships, particularly the longevity and then the impact you've made. So what does aligning with our mission mean for IU Health?
For us, we know that the health of a person doesn't start with the health system. It starts more with their environment, whether they have access to food, whether they have access to affordable housing. And so really those factors are 80% of a person's health versus their own actual health biology. So with that in mind, we know that we are a health system, and that's what we specialize in. But our partners who are out in the community, who know how to navigate affordable housing, who know how to make sure that people who don't have homes get them, it creates opportunity for us to partner and come alongside and be a part of solving the social determinants of health aspect of the health equation. So partnering with Habitat for Humanity is so mission critical for us because that's not our lane, but we know that we can partner with you all to get there.
Yeah, thanks. Kevin, are there other values that come out of IU Health in that partnership as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's both our vision and our values, Jim. So our vision is to make Indiana a healthier state. That aligns really well with what Nicole is talking about and with Habitat's vision to give everyone a decent place to live. We talk about our values as being purpose, excellence, compassion, and team. Habitat hits the mark on all of those, but especially for us, purpose. We work to do good in the lives of all others. This helps us to see our role in the greater community, as Nicole pointed out. But it's also our value of team, where we count on and care for each other. And there's nothing like a good Habitat build to build our team, and we're very grateful for that.
Yeah, I've had the privilege of, now they've become somewhat famous. Kevin has worn his bib overalls on some of our job sites and has volunteered. Nicole, do you have any experience too, seeing these bib or your own out on the job site?
I haven't had the opportunity to see his, but I have been a part of a Habitat build before, and I enjoyed the camaraderie. I enjoyed learning skills that I didn't know how to properly use a hammer until I went to the work site, but I have enjoyed that opportunity.
Awesome. And you mentioned something that struck a chord with me in terms of saying, hey, not our lane, but there's this sharing of strengths in mission critical organizations in that space. So I'm curious too, what other things is IU Health, because there's a holistic health component. You mentioned social determinants of health, right?
Yeah.
Housing, one of them. What other things is IU Health involved in that brings that to light as well?
Yeah, so I think one of the reasons why our community health department was formed was from the standpoint of we know that we need to help address those things that impact people most, from food access to transportation to homelessness. And so through our social determinants of health strategy, we look to partner with other agencies that specialize in that area and help amplify, bringing our team members there to volunteer like we do with Habitat, sourcing from a funding perspective on projects, and coming up in the future, we hope to bring out some community health workers to our partners so that we can even deepen the model as well as address some health things in their environment that we all help build together.
That's awesome. Yeah. Anything to add, sir, in that space?
It's been a great partnership, and we look forward to many, many more years in the future.
Yeah, as do we. We want to continue bragging about our partnership with IU Health to our other affiliates, and we thank you for 20 years, and again, look for 20 plus more would be great.
Absolutely.
We looked, and most importantly, I think it's impacting the families and the households that you have along the way. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.